Introduction to Chemistry. In this first course, we talk about chemistry. So we respond to the answer to the question, what is chemistry and where do we use it? So what is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of matter and the changes that material substances undergo. So chemistry is essential to many other disciplines. That's why we call it the central science. So chemistry and chemical compounds are essential ingredients in almost everything we eat, we eat, or we use. For example, in this picture we have many examples of how chemistry affects our life. In this guy is working, so we have an orange on his desk. This orange is composed mainly of vitamin C or ascorbic acid. Also, the pencil that is used is made of graphite. So this graphite, it's the substance that gives the black color. Here we have this device. This device is working thanks to its battery, the lithium battery. Also here, the coffee that we drink every morning, it contains a substance that we call caffeine. Also, the processed food use the salt NaCl. Also, the glass of water that is made of these microscopic substances that we call H2O. So, where do we use chemistry? Here we will give some examples. For example, in biochemistry, chemistry is applied to study the biological process at the molecular level. Here we have these biomolecules, the proteins. So chemistry is used to determine the structure of proteins and also their biological function in the living cells. Also in forensic science, the forensic scientists use chemical methods to analyze blood, fibers and other evidences to investigate crime, for example. In particular, how DNA matches. Also, in research and development of medicines, more effective drugs are developed using chemical methods. So, these drugs are used to treat cancer, AIDS, or arthritis. Also, pharmacologists and toxicologists study the interaction of drugs with our body. So they investigate how drugs enter into our body and how these drugs interact with our body in order to get a biological response. So that's all are examples of how chemistry affects our life.